Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will start doing question answer of this chapter number 7, The New Doll, this chapter that is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So without any delay, let's get started to the question answer. First of all, we will do exercise A, that is choose the correct option. First, every year a doll fair was held. First, A in the village, B in the palace courtyard, C in the heart of the city, D in the artist hall. Well, option B in the palace courtyard, it is correct answer. Second, all the girls like Kishan Lal doll because they were very pretty, they had lovely clothes, there was something new and different about them, they were inexpensive. Well, option C, it is correct. There was something new and different about them. That's why all the people they gathered together and wanted to purchase Kishan Lal doll, the doll that are made by Kishan Lal. Question number 3. The old man was heartbroken because A. He was unable to work anymore. B. He was unable to sell the dolls he made. C. He had to work in the field. D. His dolls had been snatched away. Well, option B is correct. He was unable to sell the dolls he made. Now, fourth. The old man, son-in-law, made A. Clay pots, B. Clay lamp, C. Clay vase, D. Clay jewelry. Well, option B, it is correct, clay lamps. 5. Subhadra brought a mohur to her mother. Mohur, it is a gold coin. It is the name of gold coin used as a currency that time. Option A is selling her grandfather's doll, working in the field, selling her old books, selling her father's clay lamp. Well, option A is correct, selling her grandfather's doll. Now we have done exercise A. Let's get started exercise B. Answer the question. So all these question answer I have written the answer in my own words. I hope that it will be beneficial for you. First question, how did the old artist's son-in-law earn a living? Well, answer I have written. The old artist's son-in-law earned a living when he made earthen lamps which he sent to the town to earn some amount of money. Question number 2. How did the old artist feel when he could not sell his dolls? Well, answer I have written. When the old artist got to know that people were not like the doll he made, he became heartbroken and was soon out of work. Question number 3. How did he regain the reputation he had earlier as a doll maker? Well, answer, he regained the reputation as he had earlier as a doll maker when his granddaughter named Subhadra sold the doll and returned with a gold coin more. After that, he had made so many dolls and wanted to sell the doll so that he could be earn 16 more gold coins so that he could be able to buy gold necklace for his granddaughter Subhadra. Question number 4. However, new times mean new demands. Explain the meaning of this sentence. Well, the answer, as per the time changes, the choices of people become different. They want to use the new thing that comes in the market. As generation changes, new digital and more technological things come in the market and people want to buy things. The things which come in the market today as a latest model will not be latest forever. A new version will be launched and then the version which we see as latest today will be old in few days. Last question, what do you think about Kishan Lal? Support your answer with example from the story. Well, the answer I have written, Kishan Lal was young craftsman He was a very innovative doll maker. He made the new types of dolls. He was also kind-hearted as he helped the girl Subhadra sell the dolls by changing the dress. So we have done exercise B as well as. Now let's see the exercise C. Read the line and answer the question. First, you call it first. There it the question. It is given the line. We have to read the line and do the answer. Do the question. Sorry. You call it courage. This is impudent. Who said this word? Well, the old timers at the palace said this line. Question number B. What were they talking about? Well, they were talking about the new style of dolls that Kishan Lal made. Question number C. Why do you think they felt so? They felt it was impudent and disrespectful because it was different from what the doll makers had been making. Now let's see the question number 2. The cow is yet to be milked, and here you are wasting time with Subhadra. Who said this word and to whom? Well, the old doll maker's daughter said this to him. B. Who was wasting time with Subhadra and how? The old maker The old doll maker was wasting time by making dolls with his granddaughter Subhadra. See, why do you think Subhadra stayed with the person the whole day? Well, Subhadra loved her grandfather and wanted him to play with her. Question number 3. Only the groom is missing. For whom was a groom needed? Well, a groom was needed for Subhadra. Who said this? And who was the groom? Well, the answer is Subhadra's mother said this, and the groom was the new doll maker Kishan Lal. 4. Here, give me your doll. If I alter the dresses a bit, they will sell very well. Who said this word and to whom? Well, Kishan Lal said this word to Subhadra. When were these words spoken? What happened later? Well, these words were spoken when Subhadra was crying after a palace guard told her that her doll would not sell. And what had happened after? What happened later? The answer is the doll was sold at the palace at the palace for a gold coin mohur. Now exercise D, think and answer. Question number first. Whom do you like better, the old artist or his granddaughter? Why? Well, the answer it is I like the old artist granddaughter more because she encouraged the old man. She helps him be happy and spend times with him. Question number 2. This made the younger lot more determined. When someone is asked not to do something, she becomes even more determined to do it. Why is that so? The old that so. Answer is people, particularly younger people, they do not like being discouraged from doing things, especially there is no logical reason. Question number 3. The old must give way to the new. Express your thoughts on this statement. Well, I have written the answer. Question number 3. Things are always changing. People also want to change and newness. They get tired of seeing the same thing always. New experiences are more exciting. New ages bring new knowledge. So that is the answer. All the question answer I have done in this video. Hope that you will not face any kind of difficulty. Thank you.